Hey guys, well this morning went to SKIDOO and I bought a radiator protector for my 2018. Gonna install it. First time doing it, but I'll do a video of it. Haven't seen any videos out there on it, so right now I'm just starting up the bad boy. Gonna move it out, give myself some room, and stay tuned. We'll install it. Here's the hardware.
With the fall season comes bright colors.
Look at that.
Your smile is bright too. Schedule a dental cleaning today with independent
I need a
dental
pop
hygienist
rivet.
Tamara's Wicker. Tamara provides a
rivet
variety of
gun.
services, including teeth cleaning and dental cleanings for the whole family. Call Tamara's Wicker today at Dentist by Dentist. 705.
Well, just got back from the local Home Hardware, just down the road. Pop rivet gun, and I got some drill bits. This one is to drill out the old pop rivets, and I just got 2 drill bits because sometimes I get carried away. I might break one. I don't have a habit of breaking them, but I just don't want to go back and forth. They're pretty cheap. I got 2 of them. And now let's get started. Well, let's start by removing this cover. The battery cover. Magnet tray. I always use a magnet tray, keep my screws in there. Well, they're not made out of steel. That's one. Now I gotta remove these links for the bags. Then I gotta drill out these pop rivets because it looks like this slides under there. Gotta remove these, and I think we'll have her. First time doing it, guys. Haven't seen any videos on it, so I decided to make one. And well, to remove the link brackets, I got a 5/8 and a T30 torque. Let's see. Well, these little clips that sit here didn't want to come out, so it did a little butchering, which is normal. You know, I just cut them right off. See you later. Well, that side came out so easy. Boom. I drilled it from the bottom because from the top it was spinning. Just popped right out. This one here just spun and spun. I couldn't get grip, so I got the grinder in there and drilled it out. Yeah, I do them the opposite way.
This is a real thing. As announced.
Well, guys, I didn't realize, but I got a little hole here. Lens is cracked. Wow, I looked at this machine and I didn't catch that till now. But before I riveted it back on, just gonna run down the road here to St. Ange and pick up a new one. They have one, they got 5 of them there. So here we go. Well, I just got back from the SKIDOO dealer. Picked up a new tail light. You don't want to know how much this little thing costs. I gotta change it. For a second I thought it was like the whole assembly for that price, but it's not. Oh, it's got 2 screws right in the back that go onto here. Pretty simple. I really never changed one of these. Brand new. Now, back to the cover. Well, plugged it back in. Man, do you need small hands. These things, no good. I can't get in there with these things, but managed. Now, let's slip this on. Well, that looks like the spot. Well, now I got this on. Everything matches up. Gotta drill some holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pop rivet it on. I'm gonna start at the back and push it down so there's no like bubble in the middle. Well, we're almost there. Man, I don't remember those being that hard. Okay guys, just put on the radiator protector on. Came out nice, neat, pretty easy, straightforward, easy job. Didn't take too long, except for the running around to St. Ange for the tail light and stuff, and going to Home Hardware for the rivet gun because I didn't have one. But yeah, it's pretty simple, no problem. And catch you guys next time. Now I gotta clean up all those filings. Holy shit.